Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to solve the questions based on Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So, this is the first question, students. In the given figure, if LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD, then prove that AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. This figure is given to us. Student, you can see LM is parallel to CB given to us and LN is parallel to CA. LN is parallel to CD. Okay, students. Now, students, first of all, we have to write given. In given, we have to mention LM parallel to CB and LN parallel to CD. Okay, students. Now we have to prove AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. In to prove, we have to write AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. Now proof. In triangle ABC, LM parallel to CB. So now, student, we are going to use BPT here. So we can write BM upon MA equals to CL upon LA. Okay, students. Or we can write AM upon MB equals to AL upon LC. So, student, I have written here BM upon MA equals to CL upon LA by BPT question 1. Now, students, in triangle you can see in triangle ADC, LN parallel to CD. So, again we can use BPT. CL upon LA is equals to DN upon NA. So CL upon LA equals to DN upon NA, students, in triangle ADC when LN is parallel to CD by BPT. Now, students, from first and second equation you can see CL upon LA both are same. So we can write BM upon MA equals to DN upon NA. So I have written here BM upon MA equals to DN upon NA. Now, students, we need AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. To get this, we have to add both side 1. Adding 1 both side. BM upon MA plus 1 equals to DN upon NA plus 1. Okay, students. So take LCM here. BM plus MA upon MA, DN plus NA upon NA. So BM plus MA equals to AB. So I have written here AB upon MA, DN plus NA equals to AD. So at this place we can add AD or DA upon NA. So it can be written AB upon AM equals to AD upon AN. Correct, students? Now, students, we have to prove AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. So we have to write its reciprocal, student. So its reciprocal equals to AM upon AB equals to AN upon AD. Hence, proved, student. Okay. Now, students, one more questions based on basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Question number 2. Prove that the line drawn from the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. So students, this is the figure ABC, the triangle. I have taken ABC. If you want to give any other name, you can, because in question no triangle name is mentioned. That's why you can take yourselves. I have taken here ABC, and D is the midpoint of AB, and DE is parallel to BC. This is given to us. You can see, students, the line drawn from the midpoint of one side. That's why I have taken D is the midpoint of AB. A line drawn parallel to another side. That's why D is parallel to BC. Bisect the third side means we have to prove E is the midpoint, means E bisects AC. This we have to prove, student. So I have written given in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and DE parallel to BC. To prove E is the midpoint of AC, AE equals to EC, we have to prove, student. Proof. So student, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC, so we can use here BPT. AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC by BPT. So I have written here, students, in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC by BPT. Okay, students. But student, it is given to us D is the midpoint. So AD equals to DB. So I have written here, students, but AD equals to DB since D is the midpoint of AB. So at the place of DB we can write AD, or at the place of AD we can write DB. So AD upon AD equals to AE upon EC. Both are same. Its answer is 1. When we do cross multiplication, we get AE equals to EC. So students, when AE equals to EC, then we can say E is the midpoint of AC. So I have written here E is the midpoint of AC. Hence proved. Okay, students, have a nice day.